since I'm doing a Valentine's Day look, I wanted to do something long-lasting, luminous, glowy, and something that's going to be easy to wear with a lot of different outfits. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and this has a nice soft matte finish. I'm going to focus this primer on the center of my face. For foundation today, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and I'm just going to blend this in with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. And I'm just going to press it into my skin. This is a very long-lasting full coverage foundation, and I love it, especially when I'm going out to an event or I know I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures. You want to make sure your selfies are on point, and it is not going to give you any flashbacks. So this is definitely one of my favorite foundations. I'm also going to bring it down to my neck. For concealer, I do want to use something that I know it's not going to crease and that is going to last all day. So I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I'm using the shade Medium Light Neutral, and this is going to conceal as well as highlight my under eyes. That's MAC. Never fails, Mackie boy. So now to contour my face, I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer, and I'm using the shade 102, and I'm going to carve out my cheekbones. I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm going to define the hollows of my cheekbones. For bronzer, I'm going in with this ColourPop pressed powder. It's in the shade Bronzer, I believe, and I'm just going to apply this to the outer parts of my face. This is such a gorgeous bronzer. It's very soft on the skin, and the color is perfect. I'm still going to film my favorite ColourPop products video, so expect that really soon here on the channel. I just have other videos that I have to get up first before that one, but it's still coming, so don't worry. I'm actually really excited to film that video because ColourPop has been killing it with the products in like every field. On my brows, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm using the shade Dark Brown. I'm going in with this Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'm using the mauve one, and I just think this color combo is so pretty and perfect for Valentine's. So to start off, I'm going to blend in this mauve shade, and I'm just going to work that into my crease. This is going to be my transition shade, so it's going to help all the other colors blend together on the crease. So I'm going to bring this back and forth. I'm also going to bring it a little bit more into the inner corners of my eyelids because I want this look to be very dramatic. Once I'm done blending that color into my crease, I'm going to take this matte purple shade and I'm going to work this color right on top. I'm taking this beautiful metallic raspberry-like color, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid, bringing that into the inner corners all the way to the outer lid. I did go ahead and wet my brush with my Fix Plus because I did want sort of like that wet effect on my lid. I did want this color to pop and be vibrant, so adding a little bit of Fix Plus always helps. I need to highlight my brow bone, so I'm taking this matte neutral shade and I'm literally just going to pack it right under my brows. I do want to smoke out my lower lashes, so I'm going in with this mauve shade and I'm just going to pack that color under my lower lashes. Instead of using my everyday black eyeliner, I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Empire. It's a beautiful purplish, bluish. It's such a unique, beautiful color. I'm going to take this and apply this on my waterline. I'm also going to bring it under my lower lashes, really tight to my lashes, so I can diffuse the color with the eyeshadow that I initially applied under my lower lashes. Now finally, to complete the look, I'm going in with this Estee Lauder Little Black Eyeliner, and I'm going to apply a really thick cat eye. For blush today, I'm going in with this Jouer Blush Duo, and I'm using the shade Seduce Me, and I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. This color is really similar to the color I have on my lids, so I feel like everything is just going to tie in together really nicely. For highlighter today, I'm going in with the new Hyper Real Glow by MAC, and I'm going to take this first shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that on the highest points of my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. I love the formula of these highlighters. They're very creamy and buttery, and they just melt into your skin. So I've been really happy with this palette. I am just going to drown myself in highlight. And then for my lips today, I'm actually going to be using a new product. This is a Pixie by Petra liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Matte Beige. Look, so this is the final look. I love how it turned out. It's so feminine and girly and like right up my alley, and it was super easy to do as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everyone has an amazing Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating or you don't celebrate. I just hope you have an amazing day. So with that being said, I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.